2020-2021 by conveyance vaccines by industry alpha variant, also known as lineage B1.1.7, is a variant of SARS CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. One of several variants believed to be of particular importance. It is estimated to be 40% to 80% more transmissible than the wild-type SARS-CoV-2 and was detected in November 2020 from a sample taken in September. During the COVID-19 pandemic in the United Kingdom, it began to spread quickly by mid-December, and is correlated with a significant increase in SARS-CoV-2 infections in the country. This increase is thought to be at least partly because of one or more mutations in the virus's spike protein. The variant is also notable for having more mutations than normally seen. As of January 2021, more than half of all genomic sequencing of SARS-CoV-2 was carried out in the UK. This has given rise to questions as to how many other important variants may be circulating around the world undetected. On the 2nd of February 2021, Public Health England reported that they had detected limited number of B1.1.7 VOC202012001 genomes with E484K mutations, which they dubbed variant of concern 202,102-02. One of the mutations is also present in beta variant and gamma variant. On the 31st of May 2021, the World Health Organization announced that the variant of concern will be labeled alpha for use in public communications. The variant is known by several names. Outside the UK, it is sometimes referred to as the UK variant or British variant or English variant. Despite the existence of other, less common, strains first identified in UK, such as B1.525, within the UK, it is commonly referred to as the Kent variant after Kent, where the variant was found. In scientific use, the variant had originally been named the first variant under investigation in December 2020 by Meera Chand and her colleagues in a report published by FE on the 21st of December 2020. In a report written on behalf of COVID-19 Genomics UK Consortium, Andrew Rambo and his co-authors, using the phylogenetic assignment of named global outbreak lineages tool, dubbed it lineage B1.1.7. while next strain dubbed the variant 20I, 501Y, V1. The name VOC202102002 refers to the variant with the E484K mutation. B1.1.7 was first detected in early December 2020 by analyzing genome data with knowledge that the rates of infection in Kent were not falling despite national restrictions. The two earliest genomes that belong to the B1.1.7 lineage were collected on the 20th of September 2020 in Kent and another on the 21st of September 2020 in Greater London. These sequences were submitted to the GISAID sequence database. Backwards tracing using genetic evidence suggests B1.1.7 emerged in September 2020 and then circulated at very low levels in the population until mid-November. The increase in cases linked to the variant first became apparent in late November when Public Health England was investigating why infection rates in Kent were not falling despite national restrictions. FE then discovered a cluster linked to this variant spreading rapidly into London and Essex. Also important was the nature of the RT-PCR test used predominantly in the UK. Thermo Fisher Scientific StackPath COVID-19. The test matches RNA in 3 locations, and stopped working for the spike gene due to the HV69-70 deletion. A deletion of the amino acids histidine and valine in positions 69 and 70, respectively, of the spike protein, in B1.1.7 spike protein. This made preliminary identification easier because it could be better suspected which cases were with B1.1.7 through genome sequencing. It has been suggested that the variant may have originated in a chronically infected, immunocompromised person, giving the virus a long time to replicate and evolve. Mutations in SARS-CoV-2 are common. Over 4,000 mutations have been detected in its spike protein alone. According to the COVID-19 Genomics UK Consortium, VOC2020120 O1 is defined by 23 mutations, 14 non-synonymous mutations, 3 deletions, and 6 synonymous mutations. The transmissibility of lineage B1.1.7 has generally been found to be substantially higher than that of pre-existing SARS CoV-2 variants. A study by the Centre for the Mathematical Modelling of Infectious Diseases at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine reported that the variant was 43 to 90% more transmissible than pre-existing variants in the United Kingdom, depending on the method used to assess increases in transmissibility, and measured similar increases in the transmissibility of B1.1.7 in Denmark, Switzerland, and the United States. Furthermore, a simple model to account for the rapid rise of the British variant of B1.1.7 in several countries and the world found that the variant is 50% more transmissible than the local wild type in these 3 countries and across the world as whole. Another study concluded that it was 75% more transmissible in the UK between October and November 2020. The Dutch Ministry of Health, Welfare and Sport calculated, based on